Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a little bit different. It's not my recipe, but I'm going to recreate Let's Do Makeup cheesecake. She did it on Facebook Live and it looked really good, so I really want to try it because I really like cheesecake. Vamos a usar whipped cream, lechera, leche evaporada, which is the Carnation one, Philadelphia. I bought this. She said we can make it and she said how to make it, but I just bought it ready because it looked kind of hard to make. And then she also added some strawberries, and I'm gonna add strawberries and bananas because I really like bananas as well. And we need a licuadora. So it looks pretty easy to make. I hope it tastes really good. Some of my friends made it and they gave me their feedback. And so I just want to try it to see if they're right or it's actually like really good. We are going to start to add the Philadelphia first, and then I have on my Instagram I asked people to ask me some questions because I know this is gonna be like really fast to make and it's gonna be like a 5-minute video, and I want to make it a little bit longer. So yeah, just open this first and then I will try to answer some questions. I've never done this where I answer questions and make something. I never really record myself either. It's always just my hands, my beautiful fat fingers. Okay, so this video is going to be like in Spanish and English because that's literally how I speak Spanish and English. I was able to open La Philadelphia, and I think I was talking really low, so now I'm going to kind of talk loud. I'm kind of shy because my husband's upstairs. I usually record when he's not home, but I'm trying to get used to it. And it's almost his break. He's working from home, so he's about to come. Anyway, so I opened the Philadelphia and I'm going to add all of it. I think that's what she said. Yeah, I think she said to do the whole Philadelphia, toda la lechera half, and lemon. Lemon, that's right. I'll get the lemon right now. So let me add the whole Philadelphia right there. So good. My little brother likes this a lot. Okay, so I went to get my abrelatas and some lemon because I know she said we need to add like some drops. You know what? Let me look. I took a screenshot where she like explained how to do it. So let me go look for it because I don't want to make it wrong. I think I deleted the picture. Let me message her. I'm just kidding. I wish. I always tell my husband like, oh, my friend, and it's all the YouTubers. They're my friends. What can I say? I deleted the picture, but I have it on the delete thing, so we're good. Okay, so she said pie crust, lechera, Carnation, Philadelphia, 5 drops of lemon, and then mix it. It was 35 minutes in the oven, 50 to 20. Ahora voy a abrir la lechera. Oh, I saw this TikTok that you don't open the. Let me move this out of the way. I saw this TikTok that I think you open it. I don't remember. Pero según que we're doing it wrong. That we don't open the cans like this. Que se abre de otra forma más fácil. Pero a mí así me enseñó mi mamá. Y dijo que se la echemos toda. I really hope I'm talking loud enough porque si no, nomás me grabé y no voy a poner nada. La abro toda para saber cuál es la mitad, ¿sí, verdad? Entonces, vamos a echarle solamente la mitad de la leche evaporada. Ella dijo que había chiquitas, pero yo no encontré tampoco. So, no creo. Aquí creo que ahí está la mitad. Está como por aquí. Creo que sí, ¿verdad? Las gotitas de limón. Digo que es 5 gotas. 1, 2, 3, creo que eso es todo. Así nomás quedó. Lo vamos a licuar. That was not me. Ok, vamos a abrir esto. ¿Y saben lo que ella dijo? She said que este plástico, ella dijo que eso no se tira, que eso es la tapadera. And I didn't know that. I mean, I never done a pie, but if she would have never said that, I would have thrown this away and put aluminum or something on top to cover it up when it's ready. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to add the mix. Uy. There's a little bit left, but it's like bien poquito. The oven ya tiene rato prendido, so I'm gonna put it in there and I'm gonna leave it for 35 minutes. And then meanwhile, I'll cut the banana and the strawberries and answer the questions you guys asked me. It was my friends, my two friends. Just kidding. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so ya lo metí al horno y voy a poner el tiempo. She said to do 35 minutes, so we're gonna do 35 minutes. Yeah, ahí se ve al revés, huh? Okay, so the question says, how long have you been married? So I've been married for 2 years. And I married my best friend. It says, who's older, you or Javi? I'm 24 and he's 27. He's gonna be 28 and I'm about to be 25. What's the first thing you learned to cook? Sopa maruchan. I'm just kidding. The first thing I made, that I thought was like something big, it was lentejas. Who taught you most of your recipes? Me. I was born this way. I was born una chef. Just kidding. But yeah, my mom taught me most of the recipes that I know was because of my mom. You say your favorite meal to make, aguachiles. It's so fast, so easy. I think that's my favorite thing. I love pozole. That's my favorite food, but I think it takes time to make it, so I will go with aguachiles. He said, ¿para cuándo los niños? Vlog. I really don't like it. And then she said, just kidding. But I really don't like it when people ask me that question because I don't know. When I met my husband, everybody used to ask us like, oh, when are you gonna have kids? And we used to always say like, well, I used to always be like next year. And I've been with my husband for almost 4 years. And we've been saying next year for almost 4 years. So it's not gonna happen anytime soon. Como cuántas horas al día perreas? 24 hours. Just kidding. Should I answer that? Somebody asked, how many siblings do you have? Do you follow me on my regular account? So I have 11 siblings. I'm not lying. My mom and my dad are not together. So my mom had 3 kids with my stepdad, and my dad had hella kids. It says, in the future, do you want to do makeup videos? Yes, I do. I really want to get into makeup. I want to go to beauty school and like get to learn. I know the basics. I know how to do my makeup. I don't think I'm that bad. No sé how tough, yeah. Okay, guys, so I took the cheesecake out of the fridge. It's been there for like 3 hours. Yes, de noche. Well, kind of. It looks like this. Really pretty. Okay, so she said to add whipped cream. Maybe like that. And then I'm going to add the strawberries and the bananas just around it. fixed the lighting. I don't, hopefully it's not too bright. But I put strawberries and bananas on the cheesecake, and we are about to try it. It's kind of hard. Maybe I did it wrong. Okay, so when I put it in the oven, I left it for, lo dejé por 35 minutes, pero se miraba crudo. So then I took it out. I mean, I didn't take it out. I put more time. I put 10 minutes, but then it kept looking kind of crudo. So then I messaged my friend, and then because she did it too, and she told me hers didn't look like that. I don't know what I did wrong. I swear I followed the steps. But then I left it, like I said, 35, 10, and then it was 5 minutes. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it alone first. It's really, really sweet. It tastes like the dulce de leche. That's what it tastes like. I swear, it tastes like dulce de leche. Yeah. The, what is it called? The galleta part está bien dura. I'm gonna give it an 8. It doesn't taste like cheesecake. It's just really, really sweet. It tastes like dulce de leche. So I don't mind making this, y comérmelo. But it doesn't taste like a cheesecake for me. My friend did it, and she told me it tasted like flan. Which I was like excited about it because I like flan too. But to me it doesn't taste like flan. It tastes like el dulce de leche. Yeah. I'm gonna have my husband try it right now. And his brother and his girlfriend. His brother's girlfriend, okay? Not my husband's girlfriend. So thank you guys for watching so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's different and was like off. Like the light was so good and then now it's like so bad. But yeah, I'll leave the recipe. I'll put a picture that she posted. And hope you guys do it and try it and let me know what it tastes like for you guys. A mí me supo a dulce de leche, a mi amiga le supo a flan. So ustedes háganlo y háganme saber a qué les sabe el cheesecake de Leslie. But it's good. It's super sweet, which I know my husband's gonna love.